Hello all, this is Keerthana, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today I am here to present a lecture series on the subject Direct Tax, Law and Practice in the topic Income Tax Introduction. So before that we can see what is income. Under the Income Tax Act 1961, the term income is defined as an inclusive manner in section 2 subsection 24. It does not provide an exhaustive definition but lists various components that are treated as income for tax purposes. So, the amount of money someone earns from a job. Income is taxable and the amount taxed is based on the net income. Income is calculated on a yearly basis. So, for example, someone earns rupees 2000 a week at a job. This means in a year their income would be 1,04,000. So, we can see the definition as per the section 2 subsection 24. Income includes, so these are the frames of income, which is profit and gain, dividend, voluntary contribution received by a trust or institution, value of prospects or profit in lieu of salary, capital gain, winning lotteries, crossword puzzles, races, card games, gambling, etc. Any sum received under a keyman insurance policy and any sum received for not carrying out any activity in relations to a business or profession. So the frames would be first is profit and gain. So which are the profits earned and gains earned will be considered as income, and it also includes a dividend, voluntary contribution received by any trust or institution like a scholarship or whatever, and the value or profit in lieu of salary, and capital gain, winning from lotteries, crossword puzzles, race, card games, gambling, these all, and any sum received under a keyman insurance policy. Also, any sum received for not carrying out any activity in relations to a business or profession. So first we can see what is income. So income refers to the money we earn or receive for our work, service or investments. It is the cash or resources that come into our possession typically on a regular basis. So on the regular basis, earning a money for a work or a service or an investment we can call it as income. So income can come from various sources such as job or salary, business profit, rental income, interest on savings or dividend from investments. It is the financial inflow that allows us to meet our expenses, save for the future and achieve our goals. So income can come from various sources. So that can be job, salary or any from business profit or from the rental income, interest on savings, dividend or from investments. So managing income involves budgeting, ensuring it covers our needs and making wise decisions to maximize its value and potential for financial well-being. So we can see the features of income. First one is inclusive definition, that is not limited to earnings from salary or business alone. So next is legal and illegal income. So this will be both are taxable. Income can be received or accrued, but income may rise whether actually received or merely acquired, which is like due. Next is temporary or recurring. Even one-time gain like lottery, card games can be an income. Next is taxability depends on residential status. So scopus of income varies based on whether the assessee is resident or non-resident. So first we can see the concept of income. So before that we have seen a definition as per the subsection, and now we can see the concept. First is definition of the term income is subsection 2 in an inclusive definition. Income may be periodic monetary return or may not rise regularly. Example, winning from lotteries, crossword puzzles like often it occurs. Income normally refers to revenue receipts. Capital receipts are not taxable unless specifically included like capital gains. Income means net receipt after deducting expenses incurred to the extent permitted under the Act. Income taxable under the head of profit and gain of business or profession or income from other sources is taxable on due basis or receipt basis, depending upon the method of accounting regularly employed by the assessee. So first we have seen that definition of income. So next is definition of income as per the section 2 subsection 24 with the frame of incomes. And next we have seen that what is income. So income is basically received under work, service or investments. So next we have seen the features of income, which is inclusive definition, legal and illegal, income can be received or accrued, temporary or recurring, taxability depends on residential status. So next is we have seen the concept of income, which is under head of profit and gain, business or profession, income from taxable other sources. Thank you.